Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to set up job title and company fields for signers to fill in eSign requests. BoldSign has form fields for job titles and company names to collect these details from signers easily. Suppose the signers have already updated their company names and job titles in their profiles. When they open the document for signing, these details will automatically be fetched and added. This provides a simplified way of adding these details during the signing process. Imagine a legal coordinator is onboarding new clients to a firm. The coordinator needs to collect each client's job title and company name. Using BoldSign, the coordinator creates a signature request with specific fields for these details, ensuring all necessary information is captured during onboarding. Let me demonstrate how the legal coordinator would do that. The initial step is to access the BoldSign application page. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the client onboarding form in the Add Files section. Next, I enter the client's details in the Add Recipient section and check the remaining sections. Once that's done, I click the Next button to guide me to the Configure Fields page, where I'll set up the form fields. Within the client's details section, I will organize the form by dragging and dropping the title and company fields into their respective slots, ensuring that they are appropriately placed. In the title field settings sections, I can change the font type and size. I can also make the text bold, italic, or underlined, and change the color of the text. These settings also apply to the company field. Next, I drag and drop the signature field for signature. Before sending the document out for signature, I'll take a moment to review all the changes I've made, ensuring everything is in order. I'll then send it out for signature once I'm satisfied with the document's setup. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how the title and company fields function. Again, suppose the signer has a BoldSign account and updated their job title and company name in their profile. Then these details will automatically populate the title and company fields respectively. In this case, the signer has a BoldSign account and has already updated the job title and company name in the profile. Let's sign the document and see how the fields are populated. I expand the document menu and select My Document to navigate to the My Document page. I locate the document requiring a signature, hover over it, and click the Sign Now icon, which takes me to the signing page. Looking here, the title and company fields are automatically filled with the job title and company name provided in the My Profile section. I can also change these details if needed. Finally, I enter my signature and complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That summarizes how to get the job title and company name from the signer in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.